Say when it rains, have good weather for a duck, but who would have thought cloudy would be the same thing, right?
Yeah, that's right. Hey, going to be another cloudy day tomorrow as well. We will eventually get in on some sunshine, but probably not until later on Wednesday. That'll lead into even more sunshine by Thursday with warmer temperatures. Wait until you see how high those numbers are going to go. Thanks, guys. Good evening, everybody, and welcome to a Monday. We'll start with a live shot. Certainly it's dark because it is, in fact, nighttime out there, but this shot's a little darker than usual. This is Collin Park. Beautiful walkway out there. Temperatures in the 30s out there, and, of course, Collin Park is in the city of Holland. As we look at our weather headlines, lots of clouds through Wednesday morning, and then by Wednesday afternoon, we hope to break through into a little bit of sunshine. Temperatures warm quickly by Thursday with that sunshine. Our next rain chance is not coming in here until Saturday evening. Yes, it was Friday night, but we're pushing it off even further because there's a low pressure system over the East Coast. There's high pressure over our area. There's a cold front coming in, which will bring us that rain chance. Everything is kind of stopped up because of what's going on the East Coast. So until that gets kicked out, it's like a drain. Everything is just stopped up behind it, so things aren't moving very fast. They're kind of slowing down. I've got nothing on radar out there right now. I can't rule out maybe a little bit of patchy drizzle overnight, but most locations will just see mainly cloudy skies and stay dry. I told you at 4, 5, 6 o'clock that our winds would come down. Indeed, that is the case. We've got the big goose egg in Holland. That's a calm wind, 0 coming in out of the north. It's a 5-mile-per-hour wind out of the northwest in Grand Rapids. That's much better than it's been on certainly Sunday when it was windy, and today where it was somewhat breezy, but these winds have come down. They won't be a factor here over the next couple of days at this point. Our current temperature is 35 up there in Big Rapids. You folks up here across the northern counties will fall to around 30 degrees. We're 38 in Holland, Grand Rapids, and Ionia. The central locations here will fall to about 34, 35 degrees, and then our southern counties will fall into the upper 30s, it looks like, as well. Here are current temperatures, but let's dissolve to what the high temperatures were. I will show you the difference, and it's not a magician's trick between where the clouds are here. These were high temperatures. You go across the lake where they had plenty of sunshine. 57 in Madison, 62 there along the Mississippi River Valley there in La Crosse. So that's what we'll get into eventually, but we've got to boot these low-level clouds out of here and get into some sunshine. It's going to take some time to do that. You could see all that gray shading. That's the low-level cloud cover that's around here. It's trying to clear out, but I don't believe that's happening. I've looked outside here. I'm looking at surface observations. We're mainly cloudy, and we'll be stuck under this deck of low-level cloud cover right on through tomorrow night, and probably into early Wednesday. Mostly cloudy, dry, quiet for tomorrow with highs about 45 degrees. We'll have a north-northeast wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's what it looks like on the weather map. 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, we'll put this into motion. Look at all the gray shading, and that sticks around pretty solid. We can't break what we call a subsidence inversion, which is where the temperatures warm above the surface. If we could mix that out and bust that out, we could mix the cloud cover out, but I don't think that's going to happen. We're going to stay mainly cloudy here. As we go Tuesday night into Wednesday, we're going to stay mainly cloudy. And then watch what happens as we go to later Wednesday. We may start to thin that out and break that up just a little bit. This system is going to be the one that's going to be moving in here for the weekend, but it's going to be very slow to do that because of a low pressure system on the East Coast, high pressure here, and then that just keeps backing up. It's like a drain. It just backs up, and so everything slows down. So if you're wondering, Kevin, why are you changing the rain from, it was Thursday night, then it moved to Friday night, now it moves to Saturday night? This is why. It's all kind of slowing down and backing up, but the mild air is going to be in here for Thursday with the sunshine, with highs skyrocketing into the upper 50s. We're mid-40s tomorrow, mainly cloudy, maybe some clouds to start Wednesday. We're hoping for some afternoon sunshine, though, later in the day. 49 degrees there, sunshine, 58 on Thursday. How about 60 on Friday with some sunshine? Mostly cloudy, dry for Saturday, 58, but by Saturday evening, Saturday night, we'll have the chance of some showers in here. That goes into Sunday morning as the cold front moves in, but there's not really much in the way of cold air behind that system. We're still up around 60 next week, Monday. So if nothing else, we're moving in the right direction or the forward direction with those temperatures. Hopefully you folks can enjoy that. Good walking the dog weather, I think, guys.